Hi everyone, good morning to all. You all are fit? So children, I hope you all are enjoying with the parents and spending a quality time with them. Children, today I'm just going to tell you about fitness. What is fitness and how we can maintain it? Although we are not able to go outside, we are not able to do jogging, we are on other fitness exercises. So how can we do fit ourselves? So are you doing something at your home just to fit yourself? No? No, definitely you are doing something, because I have told you a few exercises, I have put you to a few games also, that if you are playing with, you are enjoying with these games, so definitely you can maintain a fitness. Now, that is very important point that I am going to ask. Children, what the role of warming up exercise in our life? Why should we do warming up? Do you know? So I am just going to tell you today about warming up exercises. Warming up exercises are playing such an important role in our life, because if without warming up we play, so it might be possible that some kind of injury crop up in our body. So just to avoid an injury, we should do regular warming up. Is it clear? Now question is this: how will you do warming up? So it's very simple. You always start from easy and simple exercises, and then you go to moderate. Then after you can start your game. And at the last, you will not forget to do stretching workout, because your activity, your game, your all physical activities will complete in 3 phases. Outward arm rotation. Rotate your arm straight. Just try to keep your arm straight now. Ten times. Now with another arm. Rotate, yes. Change. Now rotate both arms outward. At the last, you do inward arm rotation. Both arms 10 times. Change. Relax for a while. Next exercise, arm raises. Right, this 10 times. Change. Now bend your arms and turn. Change. Now just to expand the chest, 10 times. Side chest stretch, 2 times from each side. Next is side bending. Your feet slightly apart according to the width of the shoulder. Side bending. Down. Yes. Try to keep your legs straight. Change. Now trunk rotation. Hands on sideways. Your feet are slightly apart. Rotate your trunk. While rotating, you just try to enhance the circle step by step, step by step. Big, much bigger, Yes. Now again, you are coming back. Try to make small now. Step by step, not immediate. Stop, stop, stop. Come on, come on. Small, small, small. Small. That's it. Now, raise your arm. Another arm on the side. 10 times. 3 steps. Like this. 1, 2, 3. Come back. 1, 2, 3. While doing this exercise, when you raise your arm, you just try to make an angle up to 90 degrees. 1, 2, 3. Come back. 1, 2, 3. You just try to keep your arm straight. If you are able to make an angle of 90 degrees by raising an arm, when your arms is coming down, it means this exercise is perfect and you are taking whole advantage of it. Change. After this, we'll have few jumping exercises because now we are coming slightly moderate workout. So hands on side bends. You just jump on the spot, and while doing this, your toes will remain in contact with the floor. So let's start. Little bit high. Jumping jacks. Change. Now stepping with movement of arms. Change. Now you will do twisting. Change. Now side jump. Change. At the last you bend and relax. Trying to touch your toe. Your leg will remain straight and swing your arms. Exhale through mouth. Swing your arms forward and back. Try to keep the leg straight. Now bend your body like this in running position and try to run on the spot like this. Fast, come on, fast. Stop, slow. Fast. Bend. Try to bend your upper body. Slow. Again down. And relax. Swing your arms. Touch your toes, hold your toes, leg straight, head down. So children, after this workout you must observe that you go easy to moderate, and at the last you did running exercise. Now you all are ready to play any game. After the game, what will you do? So now let's start stretching exercises. Rest for a while after the game. Just lie down on your back and relax for a while. Your feet are slightly apart. Hands on side position. Palm facing towards the ceiling of the room or wherever you are. Eyes are closed. Relaxed position. Exhale through mouth. You place your heel on a toe. Hands on side position. Palms facing towards the room ceiling or sky. Now you just turn your toes and neck position. Change. You do every exercise near about 10 to 12 times. Your heel on a toe, hands on side position, palms facing towards the room ceiling or sky. Now you just turn your toes and neck position. Change. You do every exercise near about 10 to 12 times. Change. Now, leg straight, one leg in forward position, raise your leg 10 times, straight, another leg straight. While doing this exercise, if you do this exercise, you are stretching your hamstring. This is for your hamstring stretch. I will tell you where is your hamstring part in your leg. This is your hamstring. This part is your hamstring. Now stretch. Little bit. You have to apply little force. Hold for a while. Leg straight. Raise your leg. Not 10 times, just once or twice. For glute stretch, now fold your leg. Hand should be here. With the support of another leg. Now hold the knee of another leg and stretch. straight, done. Glute is a part, this is your glute muscle. Up now, groin stretch. Stretch. Now place the heel on nearby the knee of another leg and stretch. Now should be opposite direction. Just one surprise. Now fold your legs, hold your both knees, and do like just try to roll yourself. Little bit, just to relax your upper back and lower back too. That warming up is so much important in our life. If we don't warming up after activities, so we will lose our flexibility after some time, and we might be caught in an injury also. So while playing any activity, our body produces lactic acid, and that lactic acid helps us to lubricate our muscles. Otherwise, if we don't stretch, then we will lose our range of motion and flexibility. So we should not forget to do stretching exercises. So in next session we will discuss some other games. Till then,